Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The CPSP Current Council decided to hold annual general body meeting at CPSP Region Center Larkana on Saturday, 1st June 2024. Earlier President CPSP Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi and Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, along with other office bearers and council members, visited various institutions of Karachi and Sindh province and witnessed various academic events organized by the Directorate of Medical Education and Advanced Skills Department of CPSP. CPSP President, Senior Vice President, and Council members were invited by Dr. Asghar H. Asghar, Director of Kiran Hospital, Karachi. CPSP delegation was received by the Director and Fellows of the Institute. The Director General, Dr. Shazia Fatma from Islamabad, was also present. CPSP delegation visited different departments and witnessed various facilities and quality patient care and state-of-the-art diagnostic facilities of the institution. The President CPSP also had a meeting with the Chairman, Sindh Higher Education Commission, Professor Tariq Rafi, and Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Farooq, Honorary Consulate General of Jordan. In the evening, President CPSP, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, Senior Vice President, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, Vice President, Professor Abbas Mehman, Treasurer, Professor Muhammad Masroor, TGIR, Professor Muhammad Asghar Bhatt, TGME, Professor Amir Zaman Khan, TGNRP, Professor Mahmood Ayaz, and council members reached Sakhar on their way to Larkana. They also visited River City Hospital, Sakhar, and witnessed various facilities and interacted with the fellows. Vice Chancellor of IBA University, Sakhar, Professor Syed Asif Ahmed Sheikh, arranged a dinner in the honor of the CPSP delegation. Professor Dr. Syed Asif Ahmed Sheikh was part of the delegation of Vice Chancellor, along with the Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, who recently visited UK in collaboration with the British Council and Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, the details of which are given in the description of this video. During the dinner meeting, the Vice Chancellor updated national and international contributions of IB University. CPSP delegation on Saturday morning reached Region Center Gambad. They were received by Dr. Rahim Baks Bhatti, Director Gambad, and Dr. Abdul Wahab Dogar, Region Director CPSP Gambad. Dr. Abdul Wahab Dogar briefed about quality training and patient care provided by the institute. More than 70 postgraduate residents are being trained there in various accredited specialties. They have also completed 1,000 successful liver transplantations too. The President CPSP and Senior Vice President CPSP addressed the faculty and fellows there and inaugurated basic life support workshop conducted there under supervision of Director Advanced Skills Department Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali. CPSP delegation reached Larkana at noon. President chaired Finance Committee and Council meeting in the afternoon. Dr. Asad Rahim, Region Director UK, was also connected and he updated the ongoing CPSP Overseas Scholarship Scheme in various institutions of UK. Directorate of Medical Education CPSP, under the supervision of Director General Medical Education Professor Amir Zaman Khan, arranged training of trainers or examiners workshop in which more than 100 examiners and trainers participated in the session. The President and Senior Vice President addressed the concluding session, followed by group photo. Advanced Skills Department organized 4 BLS courses under the supervision of Director Professor Abrar Ashraf Ali. In the evening, Region Director, CPSP Larkana, Professor Sher Muhammad Sheikh, and Council Member Professor Hakim Ali Abro organized the main event, that is Annual General Body Meeting of Fellows. A large number of fellows participated physically and good number online too from all over the country and abroad. The Vice Chancellor, Professor Nusrat Shah, and ex-Councillor and Region Director, Professor Sikandar Sheikh, and Professor Sikandar Mughal, Principal and Faculty members of Khairpur Medical College, Bibi Asifa Medical and Dental College, Gambad Institute of Medical Sciences, Ghulam Muhammad Meher Medical College, Chandka Medical College, and fellows of adjoining institutes participated in the annual General Body meeting. The General Body of Fellows was conducted by the Secretary CPSP Professor Ishad Wahid, the Councillor Professor Hakim Ali Abro, and Region Director Professor Sher Muhammad Sheikh welcomed the fellows, followed by national and international updates by the Senior Vice President Professor Khalid Masood Gondal, The Treasurer, Professor Muhammad Masroor, presented the detailed budget. The general body approved the budget and appreciated the good financial governance. President Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi addressed the general body and shared the future vision and the way forward. There was good question-answer session, and fellows appreciated the contributions of current council and presented suggestions which were duly noted for consideration. The general body meeting of fellows concluded by the Vice President Professor Muhammad Abbas Memon with a vote of thanks. For address of President and Senior Vice President, please visit in the description of this video. Thank you.